Alright, welcome to a simple tutorial on how to use PayStackEase Python library. Okay, PayStackEase Python library is a simplified library that supports synchronous and asynchronous um, requests. API requests to Paystack um, integrations. So in order to use Paystack library, you first and foremost you need to have an account with Paystack so you can generate your secret key. And also once that is done, although um more instructions or more are being said in the documentation, I'll drop the link below for the documentation. Okay, so this is on how to use PayStackEase. And then let's check on how to install PaystackEase. Okay, so on Windows, you have for Windows, you have for Unix OS or Mac OS, okay, whereby you can actually pip install PaystackEase. Okay, so also you can also get Paystack by just pip installing Paystack. Okay, so now this is a simple Django project, so e-commerce project that I want to implement PaystackEase. Okay, so already have my environment active already. I'm using Redis and Hillary for my test for asynchronous tasks. And I already have Paystack is installed. That's why I'm seeing all this. Keep install Paystack, install it. Then you have all this. Once you already have Paystack installed, you see this kind of message. Okay, so let's get started. So let me just add things to my cart. Okay, let me just add this. Let me just add one to it. See. Okay, just add one to it. And okay, let me just add simple test materials. John. Okay, one somewhere. Okay, just dummy date. I'm just putting in place order. And then once that's done, okay. So you can see here now, I have the total amount I'm paying is 200, and then let me pay with their default card. So payment successful. All right, so it's been redirected to the success payment page. So let me show you also if as a customer I don't want to pay. Okay, I don't want to pay for that, so I can just easily go in there. Let me just add to cart again. Let me add four, add to my cart. Okay, that's 800. All right, so let me still put the same dummy data I used. John John at gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One Samuel Street. Okay. Just put in dummy data. This order. Pay now. Okay. So you can 800. So if I don't want to pay this amount of money, I can just simply cancel from here. You can see cancel. Once I cancel, you can see it directed me to the payment decline page whereby your payment was not successful. Already my card has been cleared already, so I have to make another app. So that's just simple demonstration on how to use Paystack Python library. Okay, so as you can see also from my terminal,